Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, guys, we are going to be unboxing our IPSY charm box for the month of July 2023. So if you want to know what we got in our box, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, if you guys are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you'll be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started and reveal what's in this box.
Guess I'm the plug, yes I'm your truck, pass me a lighter. Just light it up, let's blaze it up, this fire.
Okay guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. I just got my box fresh out of the mailbox, like literally right now. Today is the 17th, guys, so I got mine July 17th. I do notice that the box is a little different. Super cute. Love the colors. So we are going to go ahead and unbox it together. So it still has the seal. I do want to let you guys know that I actually forgot to do like my choice items. I forgot about it. So I really didn't get to choose anything in my box. It was just, I guess, based off of what I had on my survey. So hopefully this box is good to us this month, because you guys know that I am a makeup junkie, so I really look forward to my makeup items. But anyway, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. Ta-da! This is what it looks like. This box is so cute. I love the pink. Super cute. So here we got the little pamphlet, and we're gonna go ahead and start off with this box here. And this is the Lipped Cream Lip Kit. It is a set of lip products, so it looks like it's like a liquid lipstick and a really nice lip liner, and I'm really liking the colors so far. We're gonna take it out and give it a little swatch, but this is a set of hydrating liquid lipstick and a long-lasting lip liner. Guys, I have been into lip gloss lately, and I really love how like full and juicy the lips look. And I've been really enjoying one from Morphe. I was gonna say Murphy. I can't help myself. From Morphe, and I really like it. And that's currently what I have on my lips right now. And I've been doing the outlining the lips and just defining the lip color. You know what I mean? I've been really into that. So let's go ahead and take it out. This is what it looks like. And the color looks really pretty. But let's give it a little swatchy swatch. See what the shade is about. So this one is a hydrating liquid lipstick. Let's see. Oh, I do like the doe foot applicator. This color is pretty. It's right up my alley. I definitely like these little mauve shades. I feel like they are like a everyday color for me. That's something that I would definitely wear. I'm wearing something a little bit deeper today, but this is a very nice color, and I feel like it's a very universal color. Like it would complement a lot of complexions. So I definitely am looking forward to this, and I'm so happy because it is a makeup item, and I will definitely be putting it to use. So up next, guys, let's go ahead and test out this little lip liner to define the lips. Ooh, okay, so this one, I think you do have to sharpen it. It's not one that like has like a little thing that rolls up. So let's swatch it right here. Oh gosh, it's very nice and creamy as well. So this is so hard, but here it is. It is such a pretty color, and it just glided on. It's super soft and buttery. Mine is kind of melting because it's really hot here in Bakersfield where I live. It's so hot, guys. Like yesterday it was 110 degrees. It was so hot. We are literally melting here. But this is a super cute combo. I will definitely be putting this to use, and I'm excited about that. So, okay, up next, what I got in my little box is this right here. And this is the Matcha Magic Smoothing Hair Treatment. And this is what it looks like. I love me some hair products, and I'm glad that they're starting to give it like a little rotation, a little bit of everything. Because I would normally not purchase this for myself, but I will definitely put it to use, especially if it's like a hair mask. My hair needs it. Right now it's just up and frizzy and it's everywhere, but I'm really excited about this one. So this is like a little hair mask. It's a Matcha Magic smoothing hair treatment. So this was my next item, some hair products. I'm excited for it. Maybe I should open it because I want to smell it. Hold on a second. Let me see. Oh, Lord. Okay, so it looks kind of like a oil. It is. Okay, it's getting everywhere. But this is what it looks like. I thought it was like gonna be like a conditioning mask, but it's a matcha hair oil. Look at this. Okay, it's okay because I'm gonna take a shower in a little bit anyway because it's so hot here. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, it smells, okay, the smell of this, it smells like a very, very strong olive oil. So I'm thinking it's gonna have, okay, so let me see what this says. Okay, a transformative, I can't even freaking say that word, hair treatment formulated with our custom oil blend. Chill in the fridge for 10 minutes before use. Apply a hazelnut size amount to mid-length and ends. After 30 minutes, shampoo and condition it as normal. Oh my god, I should have read the instructions, but now we know. Now we know what kind of formula it is. So it is definitely very oily, and I will definitely be putting it to use, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator before I do use it. Oh, okay. I'm excited about this. I love me my hair products, guys. I'm definitely in that era where I am trying to take care of my hair and keep it nice, healthy, and shiny, and all the above. Okay, so let's go ahead and move on to the next item. So up next, we got a brow gel. It looks like dark brown, in the shade dark brown. Lower East Side Full Brow Gel. Okay, so I've been doing the brows like fluffy. Do you guys see? Like fluffy little eyebrows, and I've been needing a little eyebrow gel. I've been currently using the one from Benefit, the clear one, and I really like it, but this one's gonna have a little bit of a tint. Oh, I like this. It has a really, really tiny small applicator, and I think it's gonna work. Hopefully it works, and it's gonna give it some tint. Do you guys see that? I noticed that it got a little deeper in color. Oh, I for sure like this. Okay, I see. I feel like it kind of fills in the little sparse areas that I have in my brow. And it definitely made it darker than this one. Do you guys see? I like it. I feel like this is a really good product. I definitely needed one because the one I'm using is clear. So this one's a really nice product, and again, it's kind of like makeup related, so I will definitely be putting that to use as well. Then up next, guys, we have this right here. I like the color. This is the Silk Protein Primer by BURKI. I think that's how you say it. So I've never tried this brand, but it is like a face primer. This is what it looks like. And let's see the formula. Like, I'm really excited about the formula. Hopefully it's a good one. It does sound kind of liquidy in there. Like, if you guys could hear it. But anyways, let me see. Oh, it might just be like really hot. I think I need to let my products cool down a little bit because I just got them from the mailbox and it's like 110 degrees out there. It's like super hot here. But this one was kind of like runny, so I'm not sure. I think I need to let my products cool down because I feel like they're honestly melted from being in the mailbox, and it's so hot out there, guys. Like, I have no idea how hot it is over here. But I think, okay, so it's a silk primer, protein primer. I've never tried this brand, but I feel like I need to let my products cool down. So I'm gonna give this one some time to cool down to see exactly what the formula is, but we know that it is a primer, and I really like that because it's all makeup related, and hopefully it does have some good skincare benefits in there because I love to use like multitasking products that are also going to benefit the skin, you know. All right, so up next, let's keep it moving. We got this right here, and this is, oh my god, it has SPF. Yes, we love that. Okay, so this is the Keys SOULCARE. I've never tried any of her products, so I'm actually really excited to try this out. This is my first product that I'm going to try out from this line, and this is a broad spectrum SPF 30 sunscreen, and this one's gonna protect your light daily moisturizer. Okay, so it's a moisturizer. It has the 30 SPF. It has squalene and niacinamide. Yes, I'm so excited, guys. I just went through my other moisturizer that I had. I just finished it last night, which was this one, the Ole Hendrickson. Like, I went through it and it's so good. I love this moisturizer. So I just finished it last night, and this one was one of my first like boost products that I got. And yep, I'm all done with it. So I do need a new moisturizer, and I'm excited about this one because this one does have the SPF. We most definitely need it because we are in our summer days. A little bit more about this brand. It is dermatologist developed. It is vegan. It is cruelty free. It is fragrance free. And this one's just going to give you great benefits. It's going to protect, moisture, and hydrate. So yes, a lot of good stuff from this one. Most definitely excited about this product right here out of everything because I am so excited to try it out tonight. It's gonna be my new moisturizer. All right, guys, and then my last product that I got in my box is this one here. I feel like this box is a good box, and I didn't choose any of my items because I didn't have the time to choose to make my choices, so they chose all this for me, and I'm really excited for everything that I got. Okay, so lastly, my boost product, guys, it's gonna come from First Aid Beauty, and this is a 10% vitamin C brightening serum. So this one's gonna definitely even out your skin tone. It's also gonna help brighten it, and I always like to use vitamin C like under my eye as well because it brightens like the dark circles or dull skin. So I most definitely am excited about this one as well. And let's take it out. Let me just see what the packaging looks like. Oh, okay, it's really, really cute. So, oh, okay. I don't know what I was thinking. I thought the lid came off and it was gonna have like a pump, but you just twist it and it pops up and then you just pump it out. Shall we try it? I feel hopefully, oh my God. All of my products are kind of melted because again, it's so hot. But this is the serum. Usually vitamin C serums are kind of sticky, but that's normal because it has the vitamin C, but this one doesn't feel like it's sticky. So I will most definitely try it out tonight. And I'm gonna wrap it up for today, guys. I definitely love my box this time around. I did not choose any of my products, but I am really, really excited for all of them. Got a little bit of everything. I got some makeup, I got some skincare, I got some hair care. It was just a little bit of everything, and it was a great balance in my opinion. And I really like my box this month. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this month's box. Let me know what you got. I'm really excited to know. That's gonna be it. Stay tuned for another video. I will be trying out all of my products, and that's gonna be it for today, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.